Non-African Poetry. Bat. By David H. Lawrence. 1. Dusk in Italy. The poem begins at dusk in Italy, where the speaker observes swallows swooping gracefully in the twilight. The imagery is serene, with the birds embodying freedom and beauty. Nature and the changeover from day to night. As the sun sets over Tuscany, swallows dance in the fading light, graceful, free, the very essence of twilight beauty. But as darkness falls, something shifts. 2. Shift in perception, lines 11 to 20. The speaker's mood darkens as the swallows are replaced by bats. Swallows become bats. But look closer, those aren't swallows anymore. Bats, with their jagged, jerking flight, invade the scene. Lawrence describes them as wildly vindictive, as if the night itself has turned against us. Dark silhouette of bats against a twilight sky, chaotic motion, gothic ink drawing style. The bat's erratic, wildly vindictive, flight disturbs the speaker, contrasting sharply with the elegance of the swallows. Key considerations are fear, disgust, the uncanny. 3. The horror of bats, lines 21 to 30 of the poem. Lawrence describes the bats in grotesque terms, comparing them to bits of umbrella or old rags. Their unnatural movements evoke a sense of dread, as if they are mad creatures of the night. Lawrence doesn't hold back. These creatures are bits of umbrella, old rags, grotesque and unnatural. Their flight isn't just eerie, it feels almost mad. Imagine grotesque close-up of a bat's face, exaggerated features, dark surrealism style like Francisco Goya. Key ideas: disgust, alienation from nature. 4. Philosophical reflection, lines 31 to 40. The speaker questions why humans fear bats, suggesting they represent something deeply unsettling, perhaps the unknown or our own hidden darkness. Philosophical reflection. Imagery: a pensive figure looking at the night sky. Why do bats unsettle us so deeply? Lawrence suggests they mirror something dark within ourselves. The part of nature we fear because we don't understand them. Key considerations: fear of the unknown, human psychology. 5. Closing dread, lines 41 to 50. The poem ends with the bats disappearing into the darkness, leaving the speaker with a lingering sense of unease. The night feels tainted by their presence. Key messages: lingering fear, night as a metaphor for the subconscious. The bats vanish into the night, but their presence lingers. Like a bad dream. The poem leaves us questioning, is it the bats we fear, or what they represent?